Good morning, children. Welcome to Mahila Samaja online class. Subject Maths. Topic Subtraction. Next topic, find the difference. See, question 626 minus 479. So find the difference. Now in one's place, 6 minus 9. 6 minus 9 had to possible? No. See, 6 is less than 9. Therefore, in tens place, in borrowing 110. In borrowing 110 is 6. 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. Here, 2 110 has given. Here is 1 110. 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 how much? 16 minus 9 7. In tens place, what is it? 1 minus 7 had to possible? No. So 1 less than 7. In going on to 100 place, we are borrowing 110. In borrowing 110 is 11. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 11 ಆಯಿತು, ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ 11 ಆಯಿತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 110 had to given, here 5. 11 minus 7. 11 minus 7 4. 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 how much? Yes, 1. The difference is 147. Next, the second problem. 732 minus 536. First, you have to subtract in one's place. 2 minus 6. Had to possible? No. 2 is less than 6. We are borrowing 110. In tens place, 110 ತಗೋಬೇಕು. 10 ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ 2 to 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 110 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ here 2 is there. 12 minus 6. 12 minus 6 6. In tens place ನೋಡಿ 2 minus 3 had to possible? No. Okay, 2 is less than 3. We are next place ಯಾವುದು? 100 place. 100 place ಏನಿದೆ? 7. We are borrowing 110. Borrowing 110 ಅಂದಾಗ here also 2 plus 10 is equal to 12. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 110 had to given, here 6. 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3 how much? 9. 6 in 100 plus ನೋಡಿ 6 minus 5 1. The answer is, the difference is 196. 914 minus 456. First one's place 4 and 6. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಇದೆ 6 ಇದೆ. Have to subtract it? No. So 4 is less than 6. In tens place, we have to borrowing 110. Borrowing ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? That is 14 ಆಯ್ತು. Here 0. 14 minus 6. 14 minus 6 how much? 8. Here 0. In tens place 0 ಇದೆ ಈಗ. 0 minus 5 possible? It's not possible. It borrowing 110. 110 ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ 0 plus 10 is 10. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 8. 9 ಹೋಗಿ 8 ಬಿಡ್ತು. 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5 5. In 100 place 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 how much? 4. Next problem. 732 minus 649. Find the difference. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 2 minus 9. Is it possible? No. Have to borrow 110. 110 ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ 10 plus 2 is 12. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? There 2 is there. 12 minus 9. 12 minus 9 how much? 3. 2 minus 4. That to possible? 2 minus 4 that to possible? No. We have to borrowing 110. 10 ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ 2 plus 10 is 12. 2 plus 10 is 12. Here 6. 10 place 7 110 ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 7 ಇರಲ್ಲ 6 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4 8. 6 minus 6. 6 minus 6 0. In next problem. Next problem. In 823 minus 597. Find the difference. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು 3 minus 7. 3 minus 7 is it possible? No. We have to borrowing ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Borrowing ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? That is 13. ಇಲ್ಲಿ borrowing ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ? 1. 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7 how much? 6. Here 1 is there. In tens place 1. 1 minus 9 how to possible? No. In 100 place we are borrowing 110. Our borrowing ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? That is 1 plus 10 is equal to 11. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 110 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 7 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. 11 minus 10. 11 minus 10 how much? 2. 7 in 100 plus sorry. 7 minus 5 2. 7 minus 5 2. See answer is 226. Next topic, find the difference. 358 minus 179. Right? 8 in one's place. 8 minus 9. No, is not subtract because 8 less than 9. We have in tens place borrowing 110. Borrowing 110, 8 plus 10 is equal to 18. In tens place, 1 borrowing given for one's place, here 4 is there. 18 minus 9. Subtract ಮಾಡಿ 18 minus 9, 9. Here 4 minus 7. 4 minus 7 is it possible? No. 4 less than 7. And we are next place, you have 100 place. We are borrowing 110. ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ 4 plus 10, 14. Here 2 is there. 14 minus 7. 14 minus 7 how much? Yes, 7. Next 300 place. 2 minus 1. 1. See answer is 179. Next problem. 920 minus 345. See in one's place. 0 minus 5 is not subtract. 0 less than 5. Because next step we are borrowing 110. 0 plus 10 is 10. Here 10 plus ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ? Here 1 is there. 10 minus 5, 5. 10 minus 5, 5. Next 1 in tens place ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 minus 4 is not subtract. In 100 place ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 110 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ 1 plus 10 11. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ 8. 11 minus 4. 11 minus 4. How much? Yes, 7. 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3. 5. See, answer is, the difference is 575. This topic, subtraction of 3-digit numbers ending in zeros. Find the difference. 600 minus 234. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ subtraction of 3-digit numbers ending in zeros. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ones place ಮತ್ತು tens place zeros ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 100 place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ 6 ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ borrowing tens place ಅವಾಗೇನದು 0 plus 10 10. Here 5. ಆಮೇಲೆ ones place borrowing in tens place ಅಂದಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು 0 plus 10 10. Here 9. 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4 6. 9 minus 3 6. 5 minus 2 3. Next up, 500 minus 176. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ 100 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇಂದ 10 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಗೆ ಬಾರೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು 0 plus 10 10. Here 4. ಅವಾಗ 0 minus 6 had to possible? No. We have to borrowing 110. 0 plus 10 10. Here 9. 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6 how much? Yes, 4. 9 minus 7. 9 minus 7 2. 4 in 100 plus only. 4 minus 1 3. See, the difference is 324. Next problem, 900 minus 348. ನೋಡಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಡಿಂಗ್ zeros ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ones place 10 place zeros ಇದೆ. We are going 100 place. ಈ 100 place ಇಂದ borrowing 110 ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಗ here 8 ಆಯ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ones place ನೋಡಿ 0 minus 8 possible? No. We have to borrowing 110. Borrowing 110 ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, here 0 plus 10 10. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 110 had to give an here how much is 9. 10 minus 8. 10 minus 8 2. 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 5. 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 5. Then ನೋಡಿ next problem, fourth one. 300 minus 123. ಇವಾಗ we have to borrowing 110. ಅವಾಗ ಇದು 0 plus 10 10. Here 2 is there. 0 minus 3 have to possible? No. We have to borrowing 110. Our 0 plus 10 10. Here 9 is there. 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3 7. 9 minus 2. How much? 7. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1, 1. See, answer is 177. Topic subtract mentally. ತುಂಬಾ easy ಇದು. ನೋಡಿ 700 minus 295 without borrowing. Without borrowing. How? ಅಂದಾಗ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 1 to subtract it. Both the numbers minus 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 700 ಅಲ್ಲಿ minus 1 to subtract. Subtract means back number. 700 before number. 699. Very good. 295 minus 1. Minus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is a back 1 ಅಂದಾಗ 295 ಗೆ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನು 294. So you have to subtract it. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 9, good. 0. 6 minus 2, 4. See how much? 405. I write the answer 405 without regrouping. Understood? Yes. Next, 500 minus 240. See, ಇಲ್ಲಿ there are a mark minus 1, both the numbers minus 1. 500 minus 1. Before number ಏನು 499. 240 minus 1. Before number 239. Have to subtract it. 9 minus 9, how much? 0. 9 minus 3, 6. 4 minus 2, 2. See, answer is 260. I have to write down for 260.